Welcome to this training video, how to submit an RFI response in SCM Star. When you access SCM Star, the main dashboard displays widgets showing your active events. Check the widget that displays information about active RFIs where you have been invited. These widgets can be moved around using drag and drop, so their position may differ from what you see in the video. To view all RFIs where you've been invited, not just the active ones, click on the sourcing icon. Then go to RFIs and select My RFIs. A new page will open with an overview of all your RFIs invitations. You can access the RFI either from the dashboard or from this RFI's overview by clicking on its name. Inside the RFI, you have two options for providing your answer. You can enter it directly in SCM Star or use an Excel template for offline response. To input your answer directly in the system, click the pencil icon to begin. Fields marked with an asterisk are required and must be filled out. In this RFI, these fields are identified as new lead time in calendar days. The fields for comments are not required, but they can be used to communicate information to the buyer. If there is an issue with the material, or if it is at the end of its life cycle, the lead time should be set to 999, and a comment should be added to notify the buyer. After finishing the questionnaire, select Save and Return and then Confirm. Be aware that your response has not yet been sent to the buyer. To finalize the process, click Submit Response and Confirm. To provide the answer using Excel offline option, begin by clicking the Export/Import Response button. This action will open a new page. Proceed to download the Excel template by clicking the Download button. In the Excel file are fields marked with different colors. Blue fields are optional and can be filled in. Yellow fields are mandatory and must be completed. Gray and white fields should be ignored. They contain system and questions parameters. Please do not change the format of the questionnaire, otherwise the Excel upload to SCM Star will not be possible. Fill in your answer and please remember, fields in the new lead time column are mandatory. The fields for comments are not required, but they can be used to communicate information to the buyer. You can either enter the lead times manually or use a standard Excel function like VLOOKUP to insert lead times from your own list automatically into the upload sheet. If there is an issue with the material or if it is at the end of its life cycle, set lead time to 999 and add a comment for the buyer. After entering your answers, save the file and return to the system. Click on the Browse button and search for the Excel. And finally, upload the Excel by clicking the Import Item button. After you upload your changes, ensure you click Save Changes to store them. At this point, your response has not been sent to the buyer. To proceed with submission, click Submit Response and confirm your action. Once you provide your answer, you can still review and edit it as long as the RFI is open. Just remember, any changes must first be saved by clicking the Keep Changes button and then submitted to the buyer by clicking Submit Changes. You've now learned how to submit your RFI response in SCM Star, whether by entering it directly in the application or by using the Excel template. Thank you for watching.